So today, in this video, I am going to be testing out what can defeat Blast Protection 4 netherite armor. Now, I got some mods on just to see if those could defeat it. We got some regular vanilla stuff. We got some new TNTs, only 4. And then over there, you're not going to see. Well, let's get into this, and I got to be careful of the creepers. Okay, so now, let's do regular TNT. Did I not change game mode S? Okay, there we go. I mean, everyone knows what happens with regular TNT. Let's just turn it up here. Ow! It did nothing! Yeah, and I have 4 lives. Oh, no. No. Go away. No! Stop it! Scoot it along. Go! No! Ah! Well, that didn't work. Probably shouldn't have kept all these so close together. Well, that was a failed attempt, but I have not died yet. Okay, so let's run over here and try no time TNT. Ignore that. You're not an Enderman. Ah! Well, that didn't do anything either. Okay, let's try a bunch of end crystals. Let me go back into creative so I can summon them back in. 4, 3, 2, 1, 0. Okay, that should be enough. Look how cool that looks. Okay. Let's head back into game mode S. Okay, so now, let's hop in here. Well, did you guys see the cool thing it was doing? It looks like it kind of like it's pointing that way for some reason. Okay, you guys ready? That didn't even do anything. Why did that not... Okay, I'm not going to complain. Okay, let's run way over here because I need this for the nuke TNT. Now, I got 2 nukes that I want to see that if they will even do anything. I'm going to cut some parts out of the video because it's going to lag. And then it's just going to be really annoying for you guys just to watch me fall. Oh, yeah, I forgot this one takes some time. But while we wait. There we go. Stop! I want it. Yes. No, really, yes, go this way. No. Oh, fine. Oh my. Oh my goodness! It's so dark! Wow, that actually took hearts, Oh my goodness. Ow. If the fire kills me, it still counts. It's still part of the explosion. Oh my goodness. Let me just quickly do this. Oh my goodness! Look at that! Okay, now the one that I'm pretty sure that's gonna kill me. It is this one. It looks like an actual nuke. So that's why I'm scared. Oh, there is a TNT minecart. I forgot about that. Game mode S. Now, guys, I will cut through some of this. Hold on. let me get the command block back. So then, because this one gives me poison effect. And, what is it called? Blindness. Players clear. And so I want to show you guys what happened, and I can't do that if I'm blinded. So, game mode S. Woo! Oh my goodness! No, get out of the hole. Get out of the hole. Get out of the hole. Ow. It's not working! I can't see! Oh my goodness, where am I? Where am I? I can't see! Oh my goodness! Guys! I will be right back! Okay, guys, I can see now. Guys, I just used the totem. Oh my goodness, I just used the totem. I'll keep it in the video, but oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. Look at this. Oh my goodness! Compared to this little tiny thing, what? No wonder I used the totem! Oh my goodness! That's just... Wow. Yeah, and then it leaves little cracks in the ground. Okay, there's... Okay, good. My armor's still here. So now there's... Wait, hold on. I'm gonna do something. Wow, that was actually a lot faster than I thought. What? It gave me 2? Okay, that's cool. Hold on, then there's one other thing I want to do. Oh, wow, it worked. Yay! Okay, let's try the end crystal one again. / summon ender crystal. Okay, let's get it. Let's get a lot of them. Okay, that's good before I lag the game. Okay, so / game mode S. What? Yeah, it doesn't even do anything. Huh. I don't know why it's not doing anything. Let me try just plain TNT. Well, that's strange. Okay. Well, so I'm trying to think if there's anything else that I missed. I mean, no, I don't think I missed anything. No? Let's see if we can get pieces of TNT to even do damage to me. Let's build this TNT thing right here. We're going to build it 5 blocks high. I don't know how many blocks, like, wide and stuff like that. Okay, I will get back to you guys when I get done building this. Okay, guys, I'm back, and now I'm in the center of this. Let's light it. I doubt this is even... Yeah, can nothing kill me? I don't think anything can kill me in Blast Protection 4 netherite armor, but the nuke. Like the big one. Because I'm like trying everything. Oh! I just remembered something. No, not that. Game mode C. I just remembered something. I need a bed and I need obsidian. There we go. I almost completely forgot that beds blow up in the nether because I am smart enough to know that. Did I build this right? Okay, good. I hate when I'm filming videos, and I hate it if I just build it accidentally wrong. To the nether, wherever I am gonna end up being. So guys, on my hardcore world, put down in the comment section below what farms I should build. Because I'm kind of getting, like a bamboo farm or something like that that works on Bedrock Edition. Just because, I mean, I kind of want unlimited farms, kind of like all the Java Edition players do. Oh, so that's an explosion in the nether. Okay, so now, let me just... Ah! Okay, I want to see if I can find one single piece of ancient debris. Just doing this really fast before we test out the explosion radius. Because I doubt we will. Okay, not right there since it's next to a lava pool. Let's head right here, because why not? Boop, 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 boop. Well, I mean, I'm now at the Y level, so... Boop. Okay, I'm at bedrock. Oh, wow, I found one! Was it only one? Yeah, probably. Well, look at this massive hole that we just did. Okay, let's test it in survival, and let's see. Game mode S. Boop. Boop. Yeah, no, it's the fall damage that hurts me. Well, so that is nice to know that the only thing that can hurt me is not in this game. I feel like I might be forgetting one. I can't remember it, though. I'm trying to be PC players just doing this. How they jump and place blocks under them to make them go farther, I think. It's very hard. Well, I can't think of anything else that is in here that explodes. Well, guys, hope y'all enjoyed today's video. Like and subscribe for more of my videos, and turn on that notification bell so you know when I go up. Know when my videos go up. And I will see you all tomorrow. Bye!